So hello everyone. So now we will start with AVL tree. Before that, if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get notification. Since I don't create thumbnails, obviously, because I just shoot my videos from my phone and I upload directly from my phone only. So I am not good at editing and everything. One of my closest friend told me that you should create thumbnail. It will look good and all, but I am not good at editing. You can check his videos. He's a travel vlogger, so Trip Archive. So I am not good at editing. I love teaching. That's why I'm teaching. I don't know I'm good at that or something. You people can only tell me that I am doing a good job or nothing. I am failing somewhere. So that will be something I should know. So I love teaching. That's it. I hope you will like my videos. So now we start with AVL trees. What is AVL trees? So we have done binary search trees. Okay, so now we will do AVL trees. It's nothing, just called balanced binary search. I don't know why I'm making spelling errors. So this is basically balanced, because see, in binary search tree, let's say we have this input, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So this is our given. We have to form a binary search tree from this. So what it will create? It will be like 10, 20 is greater than 10, 30 it is greater than 20, 40 is greater than 30, 50 is greater than 40 and 60 is greater than 50. So see, this will be the like one way. This is called this is right. Okay, so this is right skewed tree. Similarly, let's obviously, if it is like opposite, it would have been like this. It would have called left skewed tree. So this is like a disadvantage. This is making the tree longer and it will be time consuming and all. So actually AVL tree, I forgot the name, full form. I will get back to you. So this tree will be like a balancing the tree, because this will create a lot of trouble in time complexity. So let's see what AVL tree says to you. So now, if a tree is like this, okay, so what is how AVL tree is created? I will tell you that first, and then I will tell you the rules. Not rules, you don't have to remember anything. Okay, so this is computer science. You don't have to remember anything. Some things, obviously, there are some formulas. So let's say this is our tree. So now let's say this is 0. The left this is no, not 0, like for left we do +1. +1 means, like I tell you, for one root from root to a left subtree, we take it as +1, again +1, again +1, again +1, and this is from right subtree, we will take -1, -1, this is -1. So only now right left subtree minus right subtree, or vice versa, right subtree minus left subtree, we have to be -1, 0 and 1 will be accepted. Beyond this or this will not be accepted. I'll tell you how. See, here it has +1 for root. Okay, for root I am calculating +1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, and here it is -1, 2. So 2, it is 2. So this is not in AVL tree. So this is what it is telling you. Okay, I will tell you again. So for left child, so you can do vice versa also, just -1 +1 here, that is nothing, that is not an issue. Here we have to check for every node, not for root node. For every node we have to be within this range only, -1, 0 and 1, not beyond -1, not beyond +1. This is +1. so not beyond this and not beyond this also. So we have to be very sure that it lies between inclusive, -1 to +1. Inclusive means we have to calculate -1 and +1 also. So now here for this node, let's see this node, +1 +1 +1, it is +3, and here just -1, so it is +2. so not possible. Here it is +2, so not possible. Here +1 +1 means after lower than this, okay, till this we have done, and here it is +1 +1 +2, here +1, so it is acceptable. This is not acceptable. Here it is +1. Now for this node, it has just, oh sorry, this is +1, this is left child, so from right to left, so this is +1, acceptable. Now for this we have done. So for leaf nodes it will be 0, nothing 0, okay, nothing in left, nothing in right, so it will be 0. See, if you are having trouble, I will do lot of examples, so it will be clear with more examples. So for now you have to check left subtree minus right subtree. If it is +1 -1 0 or +1, then it is accepted. Beyond this is not accepted. So this is basic. So now we will see how to make AVL tree if it is unbalanced. So from unbalanced to balanced, how it will be made. So let's see. There will be 4 cases: left left, right right, left right, right left. Okay, so left left means, see here, if a tree is like this, it is left left. So now what we have to do, we have to rotate. So for like this, take the root as our rotating point and rotate the tree. So let's say 1, okay, so not 1, so this will be lower than 1, so 1 2 and 3. So we have to take 2 as our node, rotating node, and we have to rotate the tree. So just like this, think like this, we have to take the root node and we have to rotate like this. So 2 will become our root node, 1 will be 1 here, 3 will be here. Now it was -1 -1, I was taking now it will be, sorry, I was taking +1, right? So it doesn't matter how you do, okay. So it was +2. Now see, it has +1 -1, it will be 0, and these are leaf nodes, so obviously 0. Now it is balanced. So AVL tree. This is how you have to do left left. Now let's see right right. So right right means basically this, okay. So for this is unbalanced, -1, this is -1 -1, this is -2. So here check that it is becoming greater than less than -1. So it is, we have to balance it because it is unbalanced. So what, take this as our node which we have to rotate. Take this as our particular node and we rotate it in this way. Take the second node as a root and rotate it, so it will come like this. Now it is balanced, same as this tree, it is balanced. Now let's look on to our next. Left right, okay. So this is left right dependency. So here let's see, this is our root node, this goes -1 and this goes +1, okay. So now we see, first we have to make it left left. So left right, make it left left. So remember like this, LR means we have to make it LL first. So what we do, we make the right node to our left, move it like this, take the node and move it like this. So let's see, this 1 less than 1 means, let's say -1, greater than -1 is, let's say 0. So this is, we go like this, we take the leaf node and we put it here like this, 1 0 here and -1. Now see, it is LL. So now you can rotate like this, 0 minus 1 and 1. So now it is balanced, like this two, it is balanced. So LR means you have to rotate in LL to LL. Now it will be like previous one only. Now RL, right, then left, here left. So it is, you have to make it to RR. So RL to RR. So remember like this, okay, from RL to RR, LR to LL. So like this only. So you take this note, make it here, like this, rotate it. It will form like a right dependency, and now rotate, you rotated it like this. Now rotate from forming the head, taking the head, middle node, and it will be our balanced binary search tree. So it is also called BBST, okay. So BBST, binary search tree which are balanced, is called balanced binary search tree. So we will do examples on this, then it will be clear to you. So for now just take a note of it, because it will be necessary, it will be help. You don't have to remember all this. With the help of examples it will be very easy to you, and this is a very scoring part, okay. So if this kind of question come to your exam, so it will be very scoring to you, so it is an advantage.